Hi guys! Welcome to Einstein Private School.
My name is Esther.
And I'm Wana.
Today we are going to talk about amazing sculptures. You can make anything out of ice, says Ian Foster. Ian is an ice sculptor. He crafts animals, buildings, and trees, all out of ice. The biggest ice sculpture he ever made was an entire castle. Each sculpture begins with a piece of paper, a pencil, and his imagination. He makes drawings of the sculpture and imagines it from the front and back and from every side. Once he's happy with his idea, he starts to work with tools on a big block of ice. I have to wear a thick coat and full hat to work, even when it's hot outside. The temperature in the studio is always conserving, otherwise the sculpture will melt. It's like working with fish. Most of the sculptures are made for special occasions, weddings, town festival, or parties in big companies. The sculptures are taken to party in refrigerated vans. Once they are taken out of the van and put on show, they begin to melt. However, the biggest sculpture will last for many hours before they turn to the water. Doesn't feel sad when the sculpture melt. Not jolly, he says, because I'm already thinking about the next sculptures.
Melting ice is not a problem for Mike even. He is a sand sculptor. Mike started making sand sculpture 24 years ago, and for the last 16 years, sand sculpture has been his full-time job. He works with a team of sculptors. They travel all over the world to make sand arts for festivals, shows, museums, zoos, shopping centers, and big companies. The team had made hundreds of sculptures, from small statues to a huge palace for 100 people to have dinner inside. They never made the same sculpture twice. The team has won a lot of prizes for their art. They also teach people how to make sand sculpture. To make sand sculpture, you need a wooden frame. First, fill the frame with the sand. Use the water to wet the sand. Press the sand down into the frame until the sand is hard. Then remove the frame and start to craft the sand sculpture. Start at the top of sculpture. You can use gardening tools, sticks, and an ordinary knife to craft the sand.
Thank you so much.